wait, it's over. What are you doing? Nothing. Tilly, are you sure you want to do this?
Happy birthday, love.